Good day, everybody. It is a Wednesday afternoon, 12:30. I found a nice little sun trap. I've got my shorts on, got my t-shirt on, doing a bit of sunbathing. And whilst that happens, my father has given me a job, which is to chop up our old Christmas tree so it can go on the fire. So this is the job that I have to do. I have to chop all of this up into tiny pieces, like this. And I've only done about 2 branches so far, so I'll probably see you about 12:30 tomorrow.
Fucking hates that dog. Where are you going, Ollie? The path over there.
I'm just wondering how, like, life is going. Oh, they're so happy. Yeah.
They're always exquisite. But when you see sheep, like, what is that? It could have come out of a fucking lab. Couldn't it?
They are weird looking.
They're so weird looking.
I just want to know what's going on in its head.
They're like Chernobyl animals. Do you not think they all look they all look inbred, don't they?
That one there looks messed up.
They all just look so fucking inbred.
They panting?
Yeah. They're quite hot, they're overheating, they need a share. They've got so much wool on them.
Oh my god, that's quite sad.
Yeah, it's a little bit brutal when you start looking at it.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, I think that's the biggest one I've ever seen. I actually think this is the biggest house spider I've ever seen. Look, it's like...
Big body, hasn't it?
It's as big as my little finger. That's crazy. That's so cool. There she goes. Oh my god, literally the biggest one. I hope she doesn't get eaten by a bird.